Sorry, it's for your safety. But I want to help, Spidey. No, you can't just pass through here. You're so mature, Beetle, how can I fight you if I can't even? Venom's back, Spidey. Let me handle you three. We need to get Venom off Flash. Calm down, I'm on your side. Dude, let me handle this. Flash, stop, you're not in control. You can't control the symbiote, but you're the best, teach me, Spidey. There's no teaming up with Venom. I'm trying to protect you, Flash. You have too much to lose, I have nothing. Venom chose me, it's my destiny. Please believe me. I believe you, Flash, but not Venom. If you won't give up the symbiote, I'll have to force it. I don't want to fight you, Spidey, but I have to get Venom off you. Venom's trying to control your mind. Fight it, focus,